Hello everyone, this is a PS5 with new display. Is clearly the HDMI port look bad on the side. See how is this side of the HDMI looks bad. Even you can see the port, it's get wider. Alright, this video is now about the replacing the HDMI. Is about reviewing this device. Is a HDMI tester. I did pay for this device. It's not just advertising. So I'm gonna be using it for to test the HDMI ports. So this is the HDMI tester, and we have some signal labels here. 5 volt and for the data lines. And the lights is going to tell us if it's one of them is missing. They are talking about the USB, the hard drive, the SATA. I don't know what's this, but anyway. So let's plug the console and we are gonna watch this. When we plug it to the TV, the console is off. We can see all the lights over there. It's mean, I don't know what's that mean, but we're gonna learn that later. So the console turns on. Yeah, look like all the lights are good. So let's go to the TV and see. Yeah, in the TV we have no signal. So what's this? We have all the lights are on. Even this one is a dim, but it's on. So what this device going to be good for? Let's flip it. Here all the lights are on. Alright, so when we plug just this one, let's plug it to the other side. So we have the clock is on, data is on, HPD is off, and 5 volt is on, and CEC it's off. Or basically it's a little bit on, but it's dim. So HPD is off. Just want to check this device. Let's fix the HDMI port, then we see if any change in the light of this, just to figure out is any good, this device any good, or it's just a fake one. That's no need for it. Alright, we use a low melt because this is a big heatsink. That's going to help us to do it quick. Yeah, the bits they already looks good and look like it's the solder good. We're gonna go put extra solder on them to be sure that's solid. Let's check the pins. Same time we check the pins if they are solid. So no short in the pins. That's good. The customer paid for the fast service to be done like next 2 hours. First, let's just test it with the regular HDMI and we'll see if we're gonna have the display. As I'm still have like about 40 minutes to call the customer. The console is on, blue light is on. Yeah, works. And you know what we're gonna do? Test this device. So now we know the HDMI works. We test this one to see if it's any good. It's kind of the same. Okay, if I remove this one, it's the same, it's no different. So this device is not telling us if there are any missing connection in the HDMI. This is a junk, it's not going to help. Yeah, we connect both sides. Even if there is any missing pin, bad connection in the HDMI port, all these lights they're going to be on. So this tester it's no good. Yeah, I think it's about $34 from the Amazon. It's junk. If you have similar device and it works for you, and if you think I'm doing something wrong, just let me know in the comments and let me know how to test to use this device to test when we don't have no signal, because here it's, yeah, whatever it said here it's not showing here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.